Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you've made an accidental cut, moved something you didn't mean to, or just want to backtrack on an edit, knowing how to undo quickly will save you time and frustration. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll be greeted with your project screen. From here, we need to navigate to a workspace where we can actually perform some actions worth undoing. Look at the bottom of your screen and you'll see several tabs representing different workspaces. Go ahead and click on Edit. This is the main editing workspace where most of your video assembly and cutting happens. Now, before we learn how to undo, we actually need to do something first. This will give us an action to reverse. At the bottom toolbar, locate the razor blade icon. This is your cutting tool, and it's one of the most frequently used features in video editing. Click on it to activate it, then go ahead and make a cut somewhere on your video clips in the timeline. Just click anywhere on a clip to slice it. You'll see the clip split into two separate sections. Perfect, and now we have something to undo. Here's where the magic happens. To undo that cut you just made, simply press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. This is the universal shortcut for undo in DaVinci Resolve, and it works across all tabs and workspaces. As soon as you press it, you'll notice that cut disappears and your clip returns to its original state. This shortcut is incredibly handy when you're working quickly and need to reverse actions without interrupting your workflow. But what if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts? No problem. There's a second way to undo. At the very top of your screen, you'll see the main menu bar. Click on Edit from this menu. A drop-down list will appear with various options. From there, simply click on Undo. This does exactly the same thing as pressing Ctrl-Z. It reverses your last action. You'll see whatever you just did get undone immediately. Both methods work perfectly, so it really comes down to personal preference. If you're someone who likes keeping your hands on the keyboard, Ctrl-Z is your best friend. But if you prefer navigating through menus or you're still getting familiar with shortcuts, the Edit menu option works just as well. And there you have it. You now know two simple ways to undo any action in DaVinci Resolve, giving you complete control over your editing process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.